Over the years, Crave and Speed has developed a wide range of vehicle-specific plate mount kits. For instances when our traditional design is not compatible with a given vehicle, we have designed a more universal style that can attach to almost any grille. Installing the grill mount Platypus is easy and starts at the workbench. First, grab one of the stainless steel screws and insert it through one of the black countersunk washers. Next, insert the screw and washer through the bracket. The washer and head of the screw should be opposite the rubber pad. Now, screw one of the black J-hooks onto the screw with the concave side facing towards the bracket. Repeat this step for the other side, and you're ready to attach this assembly to your vehicle. Find a spot on your grill that allows you to insert the hooks through and is something that they can hook onto. Keep in mind that you'll need extra space to attach your license plate later, and you'll need to avoid any parking sensors that may be present. After inserting the hooks through the grill, align them so that they can now hook onto the backside of the grill while pulling the bracket towards you to keep tension on the screws. Grab a 5/32 Allen key and tighten each screw until the bracket is securely attached and does not move side to side. Be sure to not over-tighten the screws, as you can damage your grill. Next, install a stainless steel M10 flash head bolt into the threaded hole in the center of the bracket. Leave a gap so the backplate can fit between the head of the bolt and the bracket. Using the keyhole slot in the center of the backplate, attach the backplate to the bracket. Hand tighten the bolt with the backplate slightly tilted to the left. Grab a socket wrench and a 15mm socket and finish tightening the bolt. Once the bolt is tight, rotate the backplate clockwise to align it with the ground. Using the 5/32 Allen key, install the 4 1/4-20 stainless steel screws. For added security, use our security screw kit for the Platypus. With the peace of mind you get with our grill-mounted plate holder, you might find it difficult to resist installing a plate anywhere. The Crave and Speed grill-mounted license plate holder. Available to go just about everywhere now.